Krishna, Nidhi, Clubhouse.
Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Krishna, Nidhi, Clubhouse. So today we are going to listen a beautiful short moral story. Do you want to listen a story? Let's start. A tortoise was resting under a tree on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly. "What a shabby home you have! It is made of broken twigs. It has no roofs and looks crude. What's worse is that you have to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your pathetic nest." The bird said, "Yes, it is made of broken sticks, looks shabby, and is open to the elements of nature, and it's crude, but I build it and I like it. I guess it is just like any other nests, but not better than mine," said the tortoise. "You must be jealous of my shell though." On the contrary, the bird replied, "My home has space for family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home," said the bird happily. So the moral of this story is, better a crowded hut than a lonely mansion. So my little friends, did you enjoy listening this story? So we will meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.
Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and like to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.